Let's do a full get ready with me, starting with Stripes the Power Move. Then we have to go in with Obagi Elastoderm Lift Up and Scalp Moisturizer. This stuff is so good. City Beauty Under Eye Moisturizer, and I will link all the products. Oh my God, this is Too Faced. This stuff smells like banana. The Pillow Balm, it's amazing. The star of the show is the Mary Phillips Underpainting Palette, you guys. This is what I really want to talk about. So do you guys know what underpainting is? Basically, you're putting the color underneath your foundation, and then you're like building the bones, like you're building the skeleton, re-sculpting it the way you want it to be. You know what I mean? Like higher cheekbones, snatch nose. So I'm going in with the highlight and contour palette, like right after moisturizer. I'm also going to snatch my nose, and then on top of it, I'm going to go into a very light skin tint. Now, this is by Emco. It's a dupe for a very fancy brand. You can tell by the way the bottle looks, it's very similar. I love this so much. I'm using a super blendy, fluffy brush here that's going to make this product look so good. Oh my God, I'm obsessed with this. It's so glowy. It's so good. Okay, Sephora collection for the eyebrows, of course. And then I'm going to go on top of it with my favorite Kush Brow by Milk Makeup. It's like fibers on your eyebrows. Too Faced Born This Way because I still needed a little extra concealer under the eye. That's just me. This It Cosmetics brush, and again, I'll link everything below so you can purchase it. And then I'm going to go in with a beauty sponge just to kind of make sure it's flawlessly blended. Now I'm going to go in with Sephora. This is actually a foundation powder, but I love to set everything with it. We don't want everything to be glowing. Oh, this is a secret under eye powder by Laura Mercier. You guys, this is so freaking good, and it's so finely milled. Oh my God, obsessed. So I'm going to blend that out. And then I'm going to go in, because I did the cream products, I'm just going to go in and contour it with some powder to lock it all in. Now, also the same with the skin. I'm locking it all in with my NARS bronzer. I love NARS bronzers. They're my favorite. Going in with Too Faced, just kind of snatch that nose a little bit with a highlight. This makes all the difference, and I love it so much. It just makes my look complete. All right, this is brand new by Too Faced. You can use this for your cheek and your lips. It's very, very pigmented, so I would recommend using the tiniest little bit. It's so good, but look, I mean, I love it. I have blush blindness. Okay, so I want to make this look pretty simple, so I'm going to use bronzer for eyeshadow. You guys can do that. I'm just using one color all over. I did my wing liner off camera, and then this is the new Kosas Mascara Soul Gazer. Love it. So good. We love Kosas. Okay, this is CL. Oh my God, this is their powder blush. It's got SPF 50 in it. One of my new favorite brands of 2025. And then we're going to go in with some faux freckles. I got this on the Amazon store. I've been doing faux freckles nonstop. I'm sorry. I'm obsessed. I'm not sorry. Sorry, not sorry. I love it. Just pat them out and they're the best. All right, this is by Merit. I'm doing lips today. This beautiful lip liner by Merit. I put a dark brown on and I go in with a Citizen. You can only get this on Amazon right now. Again, I'll link everything. Look at that color. It's so good. Patting it out with the finger per usual, and then going in and contouring the lips a little bit more with the Merit lip liner. And then you guys, this is Formless Beauty lip gloss. This is Jenny McCarthy's brand. I am like shocked how good it is. It's so delicious. Okay, but the hair, girl, the hair, I'd been out all yesterday. I worked out, it was greasy, and so I'm putting in the DP Hue powder, and this is just like a dry shampoo. I put a lot in because my hair was really dirty, and then I brush it all through, of course, and then oh my God, Tresemme Extra Hold Hairspray for the win. This is Emco Beauty. It's a setting spray. It's like a dupe, and I freaking love it. And then Patrick Ta Fan Dry It All Out. This is basically the end of the look, you guys. I hope you liked it. It was pretty basic, but I wanted to show you the underpainting technique by the Mary Phillips contour palette. And yeah, that's it. Makeup, everyday kind of makeup, a little glam, very me. And I hope you guys really love it. Comment below. Let me know what you liked about this look. Bye.